How to fix WhatsApp not working on your iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can fix if WhatsApp is not working on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If your WhatsApp application is not working on your iPhone, there are a couple of ways on how you can fix this. First of all, just make sure that you are connected to a reliable internet connection. After that, you can try opening the settings application and then go to general, then go to iPhone storage. From iPhone storage, you want to simply look for WhatsApp and then tap on it. Now tap on offload app and then tap the offload app option. After that, tap the reinstall button. Now don't worry, this will not delete any of your data unless you tap the second option called delete app. After you've done that process, what you can try to do is also you can head over to your app store. In the search box, type in WhatsApp, check if the app has an update, and if it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. Hopefully this video helped you. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.